Hello, in front of me I've got SsangYong Tivoli. In this video I'll show you where are the VIN numbers and what does the VIN number stands for. The vehicle identification number is a unique code assigned to every vehicle. It serves to identify the vehicle and provides access to its history and equipment. First VIN number you can locate in your car is behind driver's doors. Second VIN number is located on the front windshield. And the last VIN number you can find is located under the hood. Now let's take a look at the VIN number and decode it. The first three characters typically denote the car manufacturer. Characters from the 4th to 9th or 10th position describe the model and type of vehicle. 10th character represents the vehicle production year. Subsequent characters may indicate the place of manufacture. Remaining characters form a unique serial number for identification. In some cases the VIN includes details about engine and body. But these are not all information we can get from VIN number. Thanks to VIN, we can learn about vehicle trim level, engine type and size, body style, safety features, production plant specific features, check digit number, market and destination, and series informations. All of those informations we can get from manufacturer or dealer, online services, vehicle history, or government agencies. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.